It's Lincoln Street. Look at how terrible it is. Wow. It's like a ghost town, people. Walking down Lincoln Street. And the whole place is terrible. You must read it, son. Wow. You know, back in the days, in RB, during World War II, when the war's over, when there's scarcity, everybody lost on the street, no cars. After 10 minutes, if we see one car, it's exactly how this one is. For the bus terminal. That is better. Whew. Look at this mountain. It started in me. look at the ground walking on. And look at all up. Yeah, walking on the street in the middle of it, people turn them nuts. And it's terrible. Wow. This is my second. What's what I was saying? I saw 105. And this. They want to blow me away. It's a strong wind from behind me. Look at me. Oh man. The bus thing got a lot of cleaning out to do. You need a monster truck to blow through the snow. At least they clean the main street. Look at the street, man. Like the one I lay from. You got a lot of cleaning to do. No store open. I can't see it. Store open because you can play my food and I eat. I have food to my house. I'm listen to cook. I'm a good cooker too. You know that, right? I'm a good cooker. To take the time to go cook. So I'm lazy all day. But I wash our clothes. I wear clothes or the fast food joint. My friend Michael. And to check the liquor store. To the stores. Christmas, it's pricey. Yeah. Jeez. That's a CVS clip, so somebody angel sick. All I'm having. Medication. I know this running. I think somebody should be with it. Let's see how it does go. Trying to get some. It's like a ghost town, huh? Yeah. CVS ghost town. It's the police. Oh, man. Look at the clothes. Hopefully you don't stop anybody from traveling the wrong. I guess you're traveling on your own, son. You get stuck. See, what 3 guys. We say that that's still something. So we got what's that bag on again? What in that list? Oh man. Going back home. Go watch some TV. Study my books. Get some noise. Guinness. Oh, and it can. Yeah. I'm not having a drink, so that will last me. 4 bottles will last me for 2 days. 2 bottles a day. Look at the people's house. That's great. That's my meal. Oh, I got the car covered with some snow. Ladies, see your friend Dickie. We're heading to work. Wait some men. And get out. Clean stuff. Been wishing for white Christmas. Now there's blister Christmas. Blister, you know how I feel. This should happen in December. It's gonna be nice. It's just crazy out here. The whole place terrible. People trying to clean the car. Look at you. Together, huh? Pray be proud. Oh, Jesus. Yeah. Just working my way out. Yeah, it's freezing. Wow. It's cold. Heavy snow. People are going to dig the cars out. I'm from 200 degrees from the coast, West Africa. 150, 160. That's the temperature we're talking about. But we're not talking about -5 blizzard, wind, tornado. That's just terrible, terrifying, dangerous. And all my African brothers and sisters cleaning out there. Nah, they're just freezing. Crazy. People dressing the sun up there, doing what they can do best. Surviving this place and what. And it's look at nice lights and show the eyes. There's someone to flip around. And I'm moving my car. Okay, it's nice looking. Alright, I can move. And then you want to move? So, somebody on the back there. I'm from Lincoln Street. Now I'm heading by Main Street. Look up. I'm on Main Street back to my house. Everybody. Yeah, cleaning up, moving down the street. Yeah, it's hard on the road. See how visitive everything. More people now. It's there, clean up. Environment. It's just great. It's just great. This guy really having that's one car right now. Right on the tree. And there's that, alright. And then the guy was putting fly in my neighbor. There on my car. That road too. My car right now. Yeah. There. On the trimmer. See?
That's real. Yeah.
Yeah. It's terrible. Right now. That's all right.